All right, guys, so quick little follow-up on the Sony ZV-1. I did an unboxing of this device a couple days ago or yesterday or whenever it was. And I felt kind of uneasy about the unboxing on it. So I've been looking at this camera, and as I was doing the unboxing, I noticed some little spots on here that I thought was dust. But evidently, Best Buy sold me a used phone for the brand new price. Although I had points and credit to get it for $419, this is a used camera. Looking at around this camera lens here, it's all scuffed up. This was already on top of the camera. It should have been in its own little plastic baggie. This wasn't in a baggie, and I've looked at unboxings on YouTube. All this stuff is separated. I didn't get a lens cap cover, and yeah, they put an okie doke on me and sold me a used camera. So it's right at 10 o'clock now. They open at 10. I'm going back over there. They only had like one or two in stock. One of them was an open box and one was brand new. On their website right now, they don't have any. So they're either going to refund me my money or order me a brand new one, or they do have the ZV-1 over there. I may just exchange it for that. But yeah, man, you got to kind of be careful with them, because I think this happened one other time before. But yeah, there's scratches around the edge of this. There's a scratch there. I did not have the lens cap cover. All of this stuff was already on top of the camera, and brand new devices don't come like that. So I'll let you guys, I'll follow up on the end of this video what happened. All right, guys, we are back from Best Buy, and as you guys see, the camera has changed. They didn't have the Sony ZV-1F in stock. Apparently, the guy told me that they get sent those units. They sell them as they're marked, which that one was clearly had been used before. They apologized, and that was pretty much it. So they have this one, the Sony ZV-1, on sale for $649. I had just about $100 in credit, so I ended up getting this for a little bit over 500 bucks. So I'll take this one. You know, I wanted the Type C, but I think this one is going to be, this one's a little bit better anyway. It has the zoom lens and some other features that one didn't have, and I'm kind of familiar with this before because I had it before. So what I need to do is check this, and I should have did this at the store to make sure that I got a new one, and this is not one someone returned and they just marked it as new. So this not really was meant to be an unboxing, but let's see. So yeah, stuff is in, we got things in baggies here, and unlike the last one where everything was already connected to the camera. So this is going to be my little wind muff, dead cat I like to call it. So that is there. Do have the charging cable. Everything is separate like it should be. We got the camera, ZV-1. I still have accessories for this, and the battery is in here also. So yeah, this, oh, bumpy cam. Yeah, so definitely a new device here. So all right, that's my follow-up on that. So the camera, the ZV-1F was okay camera. The focusing kind of hunt focus a little bit. The product showcase is definitely not as good as this camera right here, the ZV-1. So pretty much it was a nice little camera for the price that I paid for it. I wouldn't pay the 500 over 500 for it, but anyway, that's the follow-up, guys. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H, I'm out.